So problem number 9 is f is mapping from n to n defined by f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even for all small n belongs to capital N. That means small n values are belongs to natural numbers. You have to take n places natural numbers, but odd natural numbers, this is the formula, even natural number, this is the formula. So state whether the function f is bisective or not. Here they told the previous problem, show that bisective. That means it is definitely bisective. Here we have to state or verify bisective, whether it is a bisective or not, you have to check. If the function is bisective means compulsory it satisfied 1, 1 and on 2. Clear students? So here given the problem, see the solution I will explain. So f is a function mapping from n to n. N to n means this is domain natural numbers to codomain also natural numbers. And also given one function, one range f of n is equal to set of n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. This is the condition. Now we are going to check as a 1, 1 or injunction. What is 1, 1? Different inputs, different outputs. For example, students, they told substitute odd natural numbers. Input is a natural numbers because domain is input, that is only n value, small n value. So if you put small n value here, odd numbers, what you will get output? Check it. Suppose n is if n is odd. Odd numbers, odd natural numbers, we have 1, 3, 5, like so many. If n values are these, what is f of n, students? If odd number is there, f of n is, you have to take this answer. What is that? N plus 1 by 2. Suppose if you substitute 1 is here, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1. If 3 is here, 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. If 5 is here, 5 plus 1 by 3, 3. It goes on. That means again you are getting natural numbers, all natural numbers, when you are substituting n is odd. Like we have one more condition. If n is even, even means what are even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. In that case, what is n? So that is also given here. If n is even, f of n is equal to n by 2. So now you can replace 2 is here, 2 by 2, 1. 4 is here, 2. 6 is here, 3 and so on. So what do you notice here? You are giving input is 1, output is 1. You are giving input is 2, output is 1. You are giving input is 3, output is 2. You are giving input is 4, output is 2. So I will explain with a diagrammatic manner. Now you understood clearly. So this is a function from n to n, n to n. So natural numbers to natural numbers. This is a description with one function. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes on infinite. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on infinite. Now you are giving input 1, output is 1. You are giving input is 3, output is 2. 3, 2. You are giving input is 5, output is 3. Correct students? These are inputs. These are n values and nothing but x values. These are f of n values, outputs. Like in this you can check it. These are all inputs. If you are giving input 2, output is again 1. If you are giving input 4, output is 2. If you are giving input is 6, output is 3. So what do you notice here? You are giving different inputs. 1 is different, 2 is different, but getting output is the same. 3, 4 different numbers, getting same output. So you are giving x1 is equal to, so in terms of n1 n2 you can take n1 is not equal to n2, but f of n1 and f of n2 are equal. You have to give with an example. Yes, I am giving with an example. So f of 1, n place I am taking as 1 and 2. 1 is not equal to 2, but f of 1 and f of 2 is must be same, that is getting 1. Correct, students? Not only that, you can take 2, 3. 2, 3. 2 is not equal to 3. 2, 3 are different. Sorry, 3, 4 are different. 2, 4 are different. 3, 4 are different, but same output. See, 1, 2, 1, 2, they are different, but output is the same. Like you take 3, 4, they are different, but the output is f of 3 and f of 4, you are getting same output 2. Correct, students? That's why, hence different inputs we are giving, same output is getting, hence f is not 1, 1. Not 1, 1. Or not injunction. If it is not injunction, obviously it is not bisection. Why? Because it satisfied both 1, 1 and onto, then only it is a bisection. But you have to check the bisection onto also, whether it is satisfied or not. So onto means, you just recall the definition. What is meant by onto, students? Onto function means for every y belongs to b, there exists at least one x belongs to a, such that f of x is equal to y. Onto or surjunction. For every element in the B set, there exists at least one pre-image in A set. In simple definition, range, codomain, equal. So in the given function, f is mapping from n to n, and f of n is equal to, they are giving two different values. One is n plus 1 by 2. For that, if n value is odd, n by 2 for if n value is even. This is the given, students. So what is codomain here? Codomain is equal to natural numbers. That means 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now what is range here? Range is nothing but f of n. F of n, we have two different values. N plus 1 by 2 if n is odd number, n by 2 if n is even number. So now you can check what you will get f of n. See, already we checked here. If you are substituted n is odd number, you are getting natural numbers. If you are checking n is even number, you are getting natural numbers. That means f of n place you are getting always 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and nothing but natural numbers. Check, students. Odd numbers. If you check 1, 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1. If you check with 2, 1 only. If repeated one element more than one time in set, you will write only one time. So repeated 1, 2 times, even though you will write only 1. Next, check with 3. 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Check with 2. Why 2? Only you have to take here, here n is even. So even numbers you have to substitute here. Odd numbers you have to substitute here. You can substitute like that, you will get all possibilities are this range. So this is codomain, this is range, both are same, correct or not? So range is equal to codomain, which is equal to natural numbers. Hence f is onto function. Onto function or surjunction. So f is 1 function agilla, but it is only onto. That's why it is not bisective. You have to write finally f is not 1 but onto. Hence f is not bisection. because bisection means they have to satisfy 1 1 and onto. It is satisfying only onto but not 1 1. That's why it is not a bisective function. Clear, students? This is important problem given in 2-3 times in examination. Students, next problem in the exercise 1.2, 10th problem. Let A is equal to R minus set of 3 and B is equal to R minus set of 1. What does it mean? So set A is all real numbers except 3. Set B is all real numbers except 1. Sir, why they are giving like that? See here, if you give A is input, input means x value, B is output, output means nothing but codomain. If you give input is 3, you can check here, x place is 3, 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, anything by 0 is not defined. That's why this function is defined only all real numbers except 3. 3 bitti yavada number aina substitute madri, you are getting one output. Okay, students, right. Here they are saying that output is if 1, we won't exist any value. That means not defined will come on x. Output means set B. If you take set B one element, you don't have the pre-image in set A. That we will see that whether it is there or not. Okay, now. So this is the meaning of this. So they are giving f is a function maps from A to B. A to B. So it is f of x. We have to check whether it is 1 1 function and onto function. 1 1 agida agalla, onto agida agalla, check madbekri. Right. So these kind of problems we have to go for mathematical definition. What is mathematical definition? So you are given f is mapping from A to B and the function is defined f of x is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. What is A here? A is equal to all real numbers, set of 3. This is input or domain always. Remember students, this is input or domain. Next, they are giving B. What is B? B is equal to R minus set of 1 all real numbers except 1. This is output codomain. Right, students. Now I am checking the function whether it is 1 1 or not. So 1 1 function or injunction. This is the checking one. So 1 1 function or injunction mathematical definition is if you take as x1 comma x2 is 2 elements in the domain A. What is domain A means? That is equal to nothing but all real numbers except 3. You have to prove that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That double implies x1 is equal to x2. You can prove in this condition or one more condition also I told. F of x1 is not equal to f of x2. That double implies x1 is not equal to x2. So now I will use this condition. So I am taking f of x1. You know the f of x. How to get f of x1? Where is x? There is x1. Only that. F of x1 means you will write x1 minus 2 upon, write it here. F of x1 I am taking. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. So this is the, we have to prove condition. This is. F of x1 means x place is x1. So you are getting x1 minus 2 upon x1 minus 3. F of x2 means where is x? There is x2. x2 minus 2 upon x2 minus 3. You take as a cross multiplication here. So x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. So you can simplify the problem. You will get x1 x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6. I did directly multiplication. So this is also x1 x2 minus 3x2 minus 2x1 plus 6. Is there any cancellation? You can check it. I can cancel these two. I can cancel plus 6 plus 6. Now we got minus 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to minus 3x2 minus 2x1. x1 term I am bringing into the right side. 3x1 plus 2x1, which is equal to minus 3x2 plus 2x2. So this difference is minus x1, this difference is minus x2. So x1 is equal to x2. So we proved, taken f of x1 is equal to f of x2, we proved x1 is equal to x2. Hence we can write f is a 1 function. So next onto we are going to prove. Onto function or surjunction. Onto function or surjunction. What is mathematical definition of onto function or surjunction? Simple, students. Generally we will say that range is equal to codomain. Correct or not? Range is equal to codomain. Range means we will take as f of x. Codomain means b. B means nothing but y. That's why what is the exact definition? For every element of set B, there exists at least one pre-image in set A. Only that is the meaning. So every element of set B means set B, we have to assume one element. That element we are taken as y. That's why we will take let y is belongs to in codomain. Codomain is B set, that is equal to R minus 1. Except 1, we are picking one element that will be in the codomain. How it exists? F of x is equal to y. Then only we will say that it is onto. Correct, students? Once again I will repeat, this step is very important. According to the definition, for every y belongs to B. That means for every element of codomain, there exists at least one pre-image. So here I am taking one element in codomain, that is y, where it belongs to second set, B set. B set means codomain. So that B value according to in this problem, what is B? All real numbers except 1. What we are going to prove? F of x is equal to y. That means y place you can take any number, there exists in pre-image. That is the meaning. Otherwise this is codomain. I told it is codomain y. This is range. Range is equal to codomain. So now I am checking it. What is f of x in the given problem? X minus 2 upon x minus 3, which is equal to y. I am taking cross multiplication here. So x minus 2 is equal to y into x minus 3. You can simplify. X minus 2 is equal to xy minus 3y. Remember, students, you have to get here x value. Why? Because y value is in codomain. According to the definition, every element of set B, there exists a pre-image. Pre-image means x value. So that's why you have to make always x as a subject. X in a subject madbekri. That means you will get x terms are in one side. So x minus xy is equal to 2 minus 3y. I just xy is bring it the left side, minus 2 is on right side. So now x is making common factor, 1 minus y is equal to 2 minus 3y. Now x is equal to 2 minus 3y upon 1 minus y. That means now you can put any element in y in this codomain. That means except 1. 1 ಯಾಕೆ substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Suppose if you substitute 1 minus 1 it is 0. Denominator is not defined. That's why they are given except y, except 1 in y place. You can put any value, there exists pre-image. Why? Because these are also all real numbers except 1. Here also you will get all real numbers except 3. Clear students? Any value if you substitute, suppose I am substituting 2, you check it here. X is equal to 2 minus 3 into 2 upon 1 minus 2. X is equal to 2 minus 6 upon minus 1. X is equal to 2 minus 6 is minus 4 by minus 1. That is nothing but 4. 4 is belongs to in this set or not? Yes. They are told 3 is not belongs to. 3 is not there. 3 illari. 4 irbeku. 4 compulsory irutadi real numbers lo. Sir, not only 2, you can take a fraction. X is equal to 2 minus 3 and I am taking 1 by 3 by value. 1 minus 1 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. 2 minus 1 by, make it LCM, 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. Into this 3 is going to numerator 2. So you are getting 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. 1.5 is also exist here. That's why if you take any element in y, y means nothing but in codomain, there exists pre-image except 1. 1 you should not take. If you take 1, it is not defined. Already given, they told, except 1 only in the codomain. That's why all elements in the codomain, there exists a pre-image. That's why what we are going to write here, for all 2 minus 3y, for all the elements of 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y, there exist at least there exist 1 f of 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y is equal to y. This is the last definition. And for all the values of y, you can write here, for all the values of y, x is equal to 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y, at least there exists one image such that f of x is equal to y. Finally, you can write that it is f is onto function. F is onto function. So it is 1 1 and onto, hence it is a bisective also. So they don't ask whether it is show that bisective, just they are asking is it 1 1 onto or not. Yes, it is 1 1 as well as onto. If it is 1 1 and onto, it satisfied the bisective. So onto function, always you have to do the mathematical definition like this, students. Understood? Right. 11th problem. Right, students. Next question, we have the 11th one in the same exercise. Let f is mapping from R to R. So real numbers to real number defined by f of x is equal to x power 4. Choose the correct answer. They are MCQs. So first subdivision is given, f is 1 1 onto. Both will satisfy. Second, f is many 1 onto. Third one, f is 1 1 but not onto. Fourth one, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. So I told in the while teaching PU, 1 1 you want to check the given function f of x, f is mapping from R to R, f of x is equal to x power square, x square or x power 4, x power 6, x power 8. That means it is in even powers. It is always neither 1 1 nor onto. Sorry, neither, it is not 1 1 function. I will check it whether it is on or not. Clear, students? So it is also obviously not onto. Why it is not onto, I will explain. Why it is not 1 1? Because if you are giving different inputs, you are getting same output. For example, input means nothing but x1, x2. You can pick two elements in real numbers. I am taking x1 is equal to plus 1 by 2, x2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. They are different inputs. But whereas you are substituting in f of x1 means f of x is x power 4, f of x1 is x1 power 4. x1 power 4 means x1 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole power 4 means 1 by 16. x2 is minus 1 by 2. So f of x2 is equal to x2 power 4. So here minus 1 by 2 whole power 4, you are getting minus 16. So inputs are different. x1 is not equal to x2, but f of x1 and f of x2 both are getting same outputs. Correct, students? That's why it is not 1 1. Whether it is a square, if you are giving negative value, positive value of same number, you are getting same output. Plus 1, minus 1. You are getting only one output. Plus 1, 1 square is 1, minus 1 whole square is also 1. Plus 2, minus 2, 2 square, minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 plus 2 same output. See students, if you are taking minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, plus or minus 1 by 2, you are getting same output. What is that? 1 by 16. If you are taking plus or minus 1, same output 1. Plus or minus 2, same output plus or minus 16 only. 2 power 4 16 minus 2 power 4 16. So different inputs, same output. So obviously it is not a 1 1 function. Clear, students? So be careful. They have to given domain R to R. Suppose they are giving from n to n, natural numbers to natural number, that time it must be different. If you are giving different natural numbers, different outputs only you will get. That time it is 1 1. Be careful, because negative numbers are not there in the natural number. In real numbers there is a negative numbers. Not only this, students, if they will give z to z, f of x is equal to x power 4, that case also it is not 1 1. Why? Because z means integers. There exists plus 1 minus 1, same output. Plus 2 minus 2, same output. Plus 3 minus 3, same output. Plus 4 minus 4, same output. So understood, students? That's why whether you are giving different inputs, same output is getting real numbers and integers when the function is in even function. Even function means power must be even numbers. So now it is even number. So we can say that clearly it is not 1 1. So write it the solution. F is mapping from R to R, given f of x is equal to x power 4. So I am checking as 1 1 function or injunction. So we are taking different inputs. x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is also minus 1. x2 is 1, x2 is minus 1. So you are substituting f of x1 is equal to x1 square, that is 1 square is 1. f of x2 is equal to x2 square, sorry, this is x1 whole power 4, students. x2 whole power 4, that is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 is also plus 1. So we can say that different inputs they are giving. x1 and x2 is not equal, but f of x1 and f of x2 are equal. That's why f is not 1 1. I told many times, if f is not 1 1, what it be? Not 1 1 function. It will be many 1 function. Correct or not? Because what is many 1 function definition? 2 or more elements of input, they are getting same output. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ, ಒಂದು ಕನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ರೀ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಸೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಸೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ 2 ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆನಿ 1. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 1 1, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆನಿ 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ರೈಟ್. Now I want to check as a onto function. Onto function or surjection. What is meant by onto function? Simple definition, range is equal to codomain. So f is mapping from R to R, f of x is equal to x power 4, students. R to R, this is domain, this is codomain. So what is codomain of this function? Codomain is equal to all real numbers. R means here real numbers. What is real numbers? Minus infinity to plus infinity to nothing but a number line. Now, what is range here? Range is equal to always f of x. What is f of x value? X to the power of 4. What does it mean? If you substitute any input here, you won't get the negative values. Correct students? See here, this is a number line. I am taking minus infinity to plus infinity to middle there is a 0. I am giving inputs, all inputs here. But output we don't have negative. Why? Because positive, there is a whole power 4, even power. That's why you are getting only outputs are positive. Positive real numbers only you will get output. Correct students? Whatever the input if you give, you won't get negative values. That's why your range is 0 to infinity. So these are positive real numbers, these are real numbers. They are not same. But these are subset to here. That's why range is not equal to codomain. If range and codomain not equal, hence f is not onto function. But here range is a subset to codomain. If range is a subset to codomain, it is into function. I told if a function is not onto, it is into. So f of x is equal to x power 4 is neither 1 nor onto, or it is many 1 and into function. You can check now options. First option, f is 1 and onto, so it is wrong. F is many 1, true, and onto agilla, so it is also false. Next, f is 1 agilla, but not onto andru, this is wrong. F is neither 1 nor onto. Yes, this is the correct option. So D is the correct option. These kind of MCQ questions they will ask in KSET examination. So very important students. All textbook, all exercises, backside you have the 2-3 MCQ questions. Those are all you thorough with that and you can go through the exemplar book. You will get easy 50 marks out of 60 in the CET examination. Already last examination paper I sent it. You saw that how many easy questions are there, how many PU questions are there with solutions. Correct students? Right. So one more problem we have, 12th one. This is the last problem in this exercise. Students, next question, 12th one. F is mapping from R to R be defined by f of x is equal to 3x. First option we have to, this is also MCQ question, f is 1 and onto. Second option, f is many 1 and onto. Third option is f is 1 but not onto. Fourth option is given f is 1 nor onto. We have to check it. So now you see the given problem, f is mapping from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3x. 3x means what kind of function this is? Can you say that? Ax. F of x is equal to Ax plus or minus b. Linear function. Correct or not? Sir, here b la, nothing but it is 0. So you will form a straight line. Straight line means it is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing function. That time I will explain. It is in the first part, last we have maximum minimum application of derivatives la adidre avat explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ax plus or minus b means 3x, 2x, 5x, x plus 3. These are all always strictly increasing, strictly decreasing functions. That kind of functions is always 1 function. Otherwise you see that you are giving different inputs. There is no same output, different outputs only. Correct or not students? So we have to check that here as x1 and x2, these are the two elements in the belongs to the real number system because domain is in real numbers. So we have to prove f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that double implies x1 is equal to x2. Correct students? So f of x1 means 3x1, f of x2 means 3x2. We can cancel 3 and 3, you are getting finally x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 function. So 1 is possible. Next we are going to check as it is onto function. How to check onto? Range is equal to codomain. So f is mapping from R to R. What is codomain? Codomain is equal to R. What is range? range is equal to f of x is equal to 3x. If you put any value in x, positive means you will get positive output, negative means negative output. That means for every element of y, for every element of codomain R, for every element of codomain R, there exists at least one pre-image, must exist either. So you can write for every, that also you will get real numbers only. For every y belongs to, y means f of x is equal to 3x. For every f y is equal to 3x, there exists at least one x belongs to R, such that f of x is equal to y. So it is onto, f is a onto function. So it is 1 1 as well as onto, both satisfied. You can check the option. F is 1 1 and onto, yes, first one is correct. F is many 1, that means not 1 1, many 1 means. So it is 1 1. So f is 1 1 but not onto, failed. F is 1 1 nor onto, failed. So first option is correct. So option A is true here. Correct, students? Right. So we completed exercise 1.2. Next, before going to the 1.3, we have the more introduction, which is called as composite functions, invertible function, inverse of a function. Let next class we will discuss that and continue that exercises.